Remember when phones were just for calls? Yeah, me neither. But seriously, the evolution of smartphone cameras has been mind-blowing. We've gone from grainy selfies to devices that rival professional cameras. Every year, brands push the boundaries further, cramming in more tech and better lenses. And now, Vivo is stepping up to the plate with the X200 Ultra. This phone isn't just about taking pictures, it's about changing the game entirely. Get ready for a whole new level of mobile photography. The camera phone revolution has been incredible to witness. We've seen it all, from the first blurry photos to today's high-definition masterpieces. And with each new generation, the lines between professional cameras and smartphones blur even further. The Vivo X200 Ultra is a testament to this evolution, promising a camera experience unlike anything we've seen before. The rumor mill has been buzzing, and for good reason. Leaks of the Vivo X200 Ultra reveal a phone that's not afraid to be bold. The star of the show? A massive 35mm Zeiss camera module. Yeah, you heard that right, Zeiss. This legendary lens maker has teamed up with Vivo to deliver what could be a game-changer in mobile photography. And it's not just about the name. The tech behind the lens is seriously impressive. We're talking about large sensors, potentially between 1/1.28 inch and 1/1.4 inch in size. To put that in perspective, those are some of the biggest sensors ever seen in a smartphone. Bigger sensors mean more light, and more light means better photos, especially in low-light conditions. The X200 Ultra isn't just about cramming in megapixels. It's about creating a camera system that captures stunning detail and clarity in any situation. It's about pushing the boundaries of what a smartphone camera can achieve. Let's talk specs. The Vivo X200 Ultra is rumored to pack a 200-megapixel telephoto camera. That's right, 200 megapixels. This isn't just about zooming in, it's about capturing incredible detail from a distance. Imagine being able to take a photo of something miles away, and still being able to zoom in and see every detail with crystal clarity. That's the power of a 200-megapixel telephoto lens. But wait, there's more. The X200 Ultra is also rumored to feature 3 times optical image stabilization. This tech is crucial for keeping your shots steady, especially when you're zoomed in or shooting in low light. And let's not forget about the triple large sensors, which are expected to deliver exceptional dynamic range and low-light performance. This phone isn't just about megapixels, it's about packing in the latest and greatest camera tech to deliver an unparalleled photography experience. The Vivo X200 Ultra isn't just a phone, it's a statement. It's a statement that says, we're taking mobile photography to the next level. And based on the leaked specs and features, it looks like they might just pull it off. From the massive 35mm Zeiss camera module to the 200-megapixel telephoto lens, this phone is packed with cutting-edge technology that has the potential to revolutionize the way we capture and share our world. The X200 Ultra is more than just a spec sheet, it's about the experience. The textured back panel and dedicated camera button show that Vivo has put thought into how people actually use their phones to take pictures. And the quad-curved display? That's just beautiful design. But the real test will be in the photos. Vivo has already released some official sample photos, and let me tell you, they are impressive. The level of detail, the dynamic range, the colors, it's all there. The X200 Ultra has the potential to be a game changer.